Why is the rupee falling to a record low? The Indian rupee has hit a historic low of 86.6 to against the US dollar. But why is this happening? And what does it mean for you and me? Let's break it down in this video. The rupee's fall isn't an isolated event. It's driven by multiple factors, global and domestic. First, let's look at what's happening globally. In the US, job growth has been stronger than expected. This has strengthened the dollar and pushed up US Treasury yields. Investors are choosing the dollar over emerging market currencies like the rupee. Plus, the Federal Reserve has slowed down its interest rate cuts, making the dollar even more attractive. Now, add to this the rising crude oil prices. Brent crude surged past $80 per barrel. Since India imports over 80% of its crude oil, a higher oil price means higher demand for dollars, further weakening the rupee. Foreign institutional investors, or FIIs, have pulled out over 22,000 crore rupees from Indian equities this month alone. On 13th January, they sold shares worth 2,254 crore rupees in a single day. This massive outflow of foreign capital has added more pressure on the rupee. What about the Reserve Bank of India? The RBI seems to be letting the rupee weaken. Why? Two reasons: dwindling forex reserves and the general trend of declining emerging market currencies. The dollar index, which measures the dollar's strength against a basket of currencies, hit a two-year high of 109.80, and the US 10-year bond yields are rising. Both these factors have made the dollar stronger and the rupee weaker. It's not just the rupee. The stock market is also feeling the heat. The Sensex crashed over 1,000 points, while the Nifty tanked by 345 points in one session. Global risk aversion is hitting domestic markets hard. Interestingly, there's some good news too. Retail inflation has eased to 5.22%, and industrial production grew by 5.2% in November 2024, thanks to festive demand and a manufacturing boost. So, what does this mean for us? A weaker rupee makes imports like oil and electronics costlier, which could impact inflation. On the bright side, exporters, especially in IT and textiles, might gain from a weaker rupee. But overall, this steep fall signals challenges for the Indian economy in the near term. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such updates.